How to disable volume buttons on your Android phone. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, you will have to install an application called Buttons Remapper Map and Combo. You will get it from Play Store. Simply search for it. The app is Buttons Remapper. This is the app you would be looking for. Simply install the application and now you can remap the buttons. You can choose which button will do what and what not. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.